Hello everyone and welcome to another Investillionaire special. In this video we'll be giving a quick update about the financial crypto markets as well as our projection for the coming few days. But before we start, like always, we kindly invite you to go ahead and join our growing community and family by smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell button as well. Now let's go ahead and get started. So 2 days ago we made a video regarding an alert of a price dump that's going to happen across the crypto space and particularly Bitcoin. So at that time the price of Bitcoin was around I think $45,000. That was 2 days ago. Let's just take a quick look on the charts. So yes, the price was hovering around $44,000 to $45,000, and we expected from our observation of the market that the price would go down to the range of $40,000 US dollars. However, the price has dipped more than we have anticipated. So actually at the peak point, right now it's showing here on CoinMarketCap that it has dropped to below $35,000. However, if we take a closer look, we do realize that the price actually went down to even close to $31,000 depending on the time. So as you can see, a very steep decline followed by a lot of panic selling from your usual traders. So this is unexpected. We did not expect such turbulence to happen. So what this means is that the crypto market at this moment is very volatile. So we were surprised to see the price getting below 40,000, and that's why right now we have suspended our activities on cryptocurrencies. So we're not doing any trade because right now this is probably some kind of manipulation that has happened in the market. So for us, we prefer safety on all of our transactions. We prefer to have reduced risks on our transactions. So whenever something like this happens, our recommendation would be to hold off, just wait. So we continue to hold the majority of our portfolio in stable coins at the moment. However, when we see that the market has stabilized, we're gonna get in back into our trading. But for the time being, yes, this does present an opportunity, a buy-in opportunity, but you don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. Maybe the price is gonna crash even more. So the good news is that there was a recovery, a quick recovery. So as you can see, it recovered back quickly, almost $10,000 recovery in a matter of just a few hours. So that is great news. However, it is still very volatile at the moment. So it is best to keep your risk low for the time being, at least for the next couple of days. Yes, you could have gotten here at the lowest point and you could have made profits 20-30%. However, you did not know what's going to happen, right? We do not know what's going to happen right now, so we prefer just to play it safe for the moment. Now let's take a look at actually what drove these market fluctuations to happen. So one of them is actually news that came from China. So basically China has done a ban on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So China is basically banning the financial and payment institutions from providing cryptocurrency services in China. So that's what caused the big sell-off across the Chinese market. So we believe this is one of the main reasons that caused this turbulence in the markets. This is actually big news what's happening. So as you can see, it caused the price to dip to almost 30,000 lows. So 10,000 decline just in Bitcoin. Now, if you see all the other cryptocurrencies, they didn't do any better. Most of them also collapsed. So you can see Ethereum going down by more than 30%. So a lot of also the altcoins get hit really, really badly. So that's why it's important for all your trades, all the trades that you do, whenever you gain profits, you always cash out the profits. You put them on stable coins. Look at the stable coins. The price doesn't get impacted, right? So you're safe here. So whenever there's a turbulence in the market, you can just shift your positions, temporarily, reduce the risk on yourself. Yes, these present good buying opportunities right now, but you don't know tomorrow, is it gonna go crash by another 20% or not? So there is a huge risk involved with that. And for us, with our capital, with our initial capital, we like to keep it safe. Only with our profits that we decide to go in risky and even extremely risky. So you have to be smart about it. Don't just listen to whoever tells you, yes, buy the dip, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up. No, that doesn't work like that. If everybody sells, it's gonna go down, right? So whenever some big news come up like this, just wait, see how the market reacts. So right now it's down. This is bad news, but we've seen worse. We've seen much worse than that. If you remember, particularly for Bitcoin, I mean, just a few months ago, the price was still very low. So we're still right now, even with this much value going down, we're still into a healthy profit range. So there is no need to be very scared. If you're holding it for the long term, then sure, you can keep it. It's not a big problem. And as you can remember, when the corona started, even the price went down to 3,000, close to $3,000. So look at where are we standing right now? We're standing at $37,000. So this impact, we believe, is going to be temporary on the cryptocurrencies, but we don't know. Nobody knows for now what's going to happen in the coming few days. It might go down more than this. So if it goes down more, then that would be a good opportunity. So once we figure out the bottom of this dip, then we can get into it once it starts rising again. But we don't know what's the lowest that it can go. So for the time being, we stay put. So there is also good news that led to the quick recovery, is that big people are actually buying the dip right now. So for example, Justin Sun, the founder of BitTorrent and the Tron, he actually purchased in the dip. So he announced on his Twitter that he has made some purchases. So basically he has bought Bitcoin. So he's bought almost $152 million worth of Bitcoin. So that is 4,148 Bitcoins at the average price of $36,000. Also, he has bought some Ethereum and at this price. So both Bitcoin and Ethereum went down. So this is actually good news that some people are still buying the dip. There are also a lot of other companies that have participated and bought the dip. But as always, you do whatever works for you. These people, they can afford losses. They already have a lot of money, unlike the retail investors. So retail investors like ourselves that don't have a very huge amounts of money, like $135 million just sitting around in cash to buy it. So we have to be more safe. So that's why our recommendation for everyone right now is to just wait. No need to be greedy right now. Just wait for it more and see what happens. But again, remember, this is not financial advice. If by all means you did your own research and you figured out, yes, I'm gonna hold this for the next 10 years and this is a good opportunity for me to buy right now, then by all means go ahead and do whatever you like to do. Remember, our videos is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors. We only tell you what we think is going to happen in the market and what we do for ourselves. But again, this is not financial advice. The video is made only for entertainment and educational purposes, and you should always do your own due diligence, your own research before investing or doing any trade or making any decision. However, we recommend you to have always diversify your portfolio and at the same time have risk management strategies, so if you didn't have any risk management strategies, you might be down now more than 20%. So always take profits. It's not a bad thing, it never hurts to secure your initial investment. Anything else above that, goes down, it's not a big deal. So for all our other trades that we have open right now, yes, they are down, but they are down only from the profits. Our initial principal investments are safe. And with that being said, we hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.